Hi, we are here at the Altadena Community Church. I'm Lilia Garcia-Brower, California's Labor Commissioner.
And I'm Debra, Cal OSHA Chief.
We are reminding employers and workers involved in wildfire cleanup and rebuilding about California's labor laws and workplace safety protections.
Wildfire cleanup and rebuilding is hazardous work. Employers must take steps to protect workers. An injury and illness prevention plan is needed at every work site, in addition to training and the proper protective equipment.
It is illegal for employers to take adverse action against workers for speaking up about their labor rights. All workers are protected, regardless of immigration status.
Workers and employers are encouraged to get in touch with our offices. We can provide free assistance to employers with following the law and help workers report unsafe workplaces and wage theft.
To contact the Labor Commissioner's Office or Cal OSHA, visit wildfiresmokecalifornia.org. We both live in Los Angeles County. This is our community too, and we want to be a part of rebuilding.
And making it safe once again for all Californians.
Let's be safe as we rebuild. Take good care.